There we go. Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and kind of warm out here today. These two hives right here, they've been bearding real bad. I had one swarm today, and I need to find out where the swarm came from, and I think it came from one of these two hives. So we're going to be checking them. We're going to have to angle a little bit wider today, and maybe y'all can see better. And I hope you can hear better. Or hear good anyway. If not, we'll go get the other mic. This is hive number 321. We made a 3-frame split on it. '63 East. That's been a while back, so. They got plenty of room in the top. And we have our smoker today too. I think we're going to smoke them right now just because. Now we can look see what we got. Okay, this frame here has some honey on it, has some nectar. Got some drones. We need drones because we're still making queens and making splits. People ask me, not too late to make splits? Nope. Okay, that's a honey frame. This is an empty frame. Y'all can probably see that though. This is a super frame for honey frame. They've got it filled with nectar. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's filled with nectar. And you're right, I put this one in backwards. Top of that's all honey, both sides, capped. The weather's changed a little bit. It was kind of nice this morning. We got a little rain last night, which was good. This is just an empty frame. This one. This one has nectar in it. Got a little problem with the frame there. This was a frame that I used to use, and I used to cut my plastic, because I used to buy plastic and put up here, and this piece fell down. We're going to move it here. This one in the middle, maybe they'll build it a little bit better. This one has nectar. Got a little bit of eggs in it, a little bit of brood in it. A little bit of brood right here. Probably one that had eggs in it last time we was in here. And that'll hatch out and they'll put honey in that, I hope. This is what the bottom looks like. This one has some brood, has some larvae, has some drones. Has some queen cups. Both sides are like that. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Looks like she might be doing something up here. Y'all need to let me know if y'all like the wide where I'm getting more, or just mainly on the hive that I'm working on. This one here has some eggs and some brood and some larvae. Same thing with that side. So we're going to take that, stick it here. We're going to take this one that was over here and stick it here. We didn't see the queen, but that's okay. Didn't see any queen cells, saw some queen cups. Okay, this one, let's see, where are we going to start? This one has some nectar, some drones. Queen cups. Some brood. Some larvae. I don't see any eggs in that one. That's that one. We're just going to set it over here for right now. Bottom looks good. This one has some brood, some larvae, some nectar, some drones, some pollen. Same thing on this side. It has a couple little pieces where my wire is, my fishing line has been cut. So we're going to nip it off. Yeah. I'm looking okay. Haven't seen any bugs yet. This one has pollen, some brood, a little bit of nectar. This one over here has about the same thing. It's got some brood and some nectar, some larvae, so it's still good. Yeah, this morning it was real nice out here. We had a little bit of humidity because of that rain we had last night. This one has some little bit of honey. Okay, I see eggs. We have pollen. We have a little honey. We have nectar, eggs, larvae. No queen cells. That was doing good too. Yes, I need to come cut my grass. Start checking my bees early in the mornings now that it's getting so hot again. Not as hot as it was, but hot. This one here has brood, nectar, more drones. We still have eggs, so I'd say we still have a queen. Well, we're not really looking for her until I find queen cells. As long as I see eggs, no queen cells, not the one that they swarm from. This one has brood, larvae, eggs. Here has the same thing on it. Looking good. Bottom still clean. This one here is loaded up with brood. Got a little honey. Got the larvae. You see any eggs on this one? This one here got the same thing on it. It does have a queen cup right here, nothing in it. Main thing we're looking for right now, people, is queen cells. So we can find out where to, because we got one queen cell, we got more than one queen cell. This one has some honey, some brood, loaded with eggs. One queen cup. Okay, hadn't seen any queen, but I haven't been looking for them. Where's the queen? There's the queen cup. So we're going to put it back in the house. They know what they're doing better than I do, so we're just going to push these over. Put them back the way they were. Getting leverage on it. There we go. Okay. We're going to say they're okay. What we are going to do is give them some pollen. We got a lot of babies showing up. The peppermint haddies. I got the one that doesn't have the child safe on them this morning, or yesterday. Those other ones, man, I mean, they got tough. These are just wrapped. They're the cheaper ones, I guess. Yeah, we're going to stick this back up here. Light it up. A little bit of pollen up here on top. Put our feeder ring back on. They have a big water dish right there. Well, get a feeder. Got him a honey feeder there. Time we used to use. We'll put that there. Get some food. This dry weather we're having, they're going through about $15 worth of sugar a day. That's all the hive, not just one. Y'all knew that. Put some flotation in there. We know that's not where the swarm came from. So we're gonna, this is 6, number 4. Didn't see queen. Our eggs. Okay, so we're pretty sure there's a queen in there. And that's that with that one. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Appreciate your comments. Let me know what you think. And like I say, I hope it worked out. This one here, we're going to do a little bit closer on this hive. Y'all have a marvelous day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a marvelous day. Anything you need to see, you let me know.